Okay, am I audible? I was disconnected because of some network issue. Am I audible now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so we will continue. I will share the screen once again. Okay, so this part we were discussing. So I hope you are aware about this. Sarah, she has joined the new company. There she is a supervisor for 50 workers. And she notices that the people are working after their duty hours also. And they are not getting any overtime for that, or they are not getting any benefits or incentive for that. Then she reports to the supervisor and she asks whether that company is not having that budget to pay the overtime. Then the supervisor tells that they are working for meeting the deadlines of the company and they are well aware about this. So there is nothing new in this issue. And also he says that CEO is also aware about this situation. Okay. And what should be the steps that Sarah has to take? So that is the question asked here. So what will be the answers from your side that I am asking? Is it clear to everyone what is asked? And what is the problem here reported? So now you give the answers, what she should do under such circumstances. Yes, give the answers, please. Possible options I will write here. Additional possibilities also we will discuss, and then we can conclude for the various answers. Okay, please be active. Start giving the answers. Yes, Swati, what will be the answer from your side for this? Swati is there for the lecture?
Oh, yes, ma'am.
So what she should do? You understood the question?
Oh, yes, ma'am.
So what she should do? What will be the answer from your side? What possible solutions are there for solving this problem? Or what should be the action taken by Sarah for this?
वर्कर्स ओव्हर टाइम करतात म्हणल्यावर त्यांच्यासाठी एक्स्ट्रा सॅलरी पण अरेंज करू शकतात ना सुपरवायझरशी बोलून.
But she has talked with supervisor and he has told what? What supervisor has told? That also I have explained. What supervisor has told? What supervisor has told?
They are aware about it.
They are aware about this, that they have to work extra. And CEO is also knowing this. So what she should do under such condition? Okay, give the answer, Swati. Okay, whatever you were saying, continue with that. Yes, others, Meenakshi, what will be the answer from your side?
Yes, ma'am. ती फॅक्टरीच्या ओनर सोबत बोलेल.
फॅक्टरीच्या? Okay, she should discuss with owner, or she should discuss with the factory owner. That is first possibility. Okay, again. Again, what can be the steps? Okay, so I will make here some points, key points. Then second. Others also give the answers. Meenakshi, what other steps she can do? Over from your side?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Vaishnavi Deshmukh. What will be the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. If you are able to give answer, then only you give. Otherwise, if you have some issue, no problem. Okay. Are you able to give the answer, Vaishnavi?
No,
Deshmukh?
ma'am.
Okay.
No, ma'am.
Okay. Wait. Then Sahil is there?
Yes, ma'am.
What will be your answer for this question?
Firstly, she will warn the supervisor to stop this illegal practice, otherwise she will take legal actions.
Okay, just a minute. I will summarize. Warning to supervisor. She can give warning to the supervisor to stop it. Else initiating the action. Okay. You continue. So she will warn the supervisor to stop this, otherwise she will initiate some action. Okay. So that's it. That is one answer. Okay. Good. Others? Krishna, what step has to be taken? Give the answer. Krishna Koli is there for the lecture. Yes, Omkar. Omkar is there. Hello.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Tell the answer. What step should be taken?
The manager of Saraha should take her his overtime and he should be give the more salary.
If not overtime, then give the more salary. Okay,
More
that you want to
salary.
say?
And if Saraha want some leaves suddenly, then supervisor should ask.
Okay, your voice is not audible.
Because he already done the overtime.
No, I'm not getting second point what you said. First, I understood that manager should give more salary or owner should give more salary. Second, I didn't understand.
Yes. Second is if Sarah wants suddenly leaves, so supervisor will give her excuses about that because he already done the overtime.
Okay. But still it is not clear what you want to say. Miss, can you repeat it once again?
If Sarah suddenly wants the leaves, am I audible?
Yes, you are audible.
Then supervisor will give her excuses because she already done the overtime.
No, but that is her first day only. No, it is said. Okay, you please read it carefully. So, and at the end of her first day only, she observed this and she reports it. So, there is no question of her leave.
Yes. Okay, ma'am. Sorry.
Okay. So, first one point that is correct. That if not incentives can be given, then salary should be increased. Okay, that is the good point. Others. Who will give the answer? Yes, Ankita, can you give the answer? Anybody from boys side also? You can unmute, Krishna, no any problem from my side. And if you are not able to unmute, you can type the answer. Okay. So I will just wait for 1 minute for you to give the answer. Anybody want to give answer or any possible solutions, possible ways? Can you tell that? Yes, Mahesh Deshmukh. Can you give some answer? Okay, so Meenakshi has given the answer that Sarah will discuss with the workers that whether they can complete the task in time. In that way only you want to give the answer, Meenakshi?
येस मॅम 8 hours मध्येच मोर वर्क म्हणजे पार्ट जास्त करण्यापेक्षा 8 तासातच जास्तीचे वर्क करता येईल.
Okay. So she will discuss with the workers to complete the work in time. Means can do they some smart work and complete the task in time. Okay. So that is also possible way. Yes, correct. Then okay. So these are some of the possible solutions. Okay. So apart from this, I have some other solutions also. So combinedly we will discuss both the things and we can conclude for the questions. Sorry, we can conclude for this question by putting possible solution. See, she can discuss with the factory owner about this issue. And firstly, she will try to solve this issue in some submissive way. She will request, she will ask to solve this issue. If it is not solved, then she can warn the supervisor to stop this, or else I will initiate action. That can be the first step. Then another demand she can make, that if they are not able to give the overtime, or if they know or if they want it by default, workers have to work for more time, then they can increase the salary. That is another issue. Then discuss with workers to complete the work in time. So another way, she can have discussion with workers and she can ask whether the work can be completed in less amount of time. These are the solutions. Again, next is, so she can make aware the boss about illegal aspects, inform him about its future risk. Okay, so these are the answers which I got from B division students. Okay, so that also I will discuss. So combinedly, you can write the answers for your tutorial. That's why I'm discussing it. So now these two questions only I'm going to give you for tutorial number 2. And for tutorial, आता लॅब मॅन्युअलला कसं केलं होतं आपण, लास्टला तुम्हाला लिंक दिले होते अपलोडिंग साठी. But for this tutorial, time to time you can upload it, because weekly we are taking it, and here is no any specific write-up. So whatever questions will be given, you have to write answers for that question. Okay, so tutorial 1 or one thing I can do, tutorial number 1 and tutorial number 2, two separate forms I will design once again and I will put, because there may be some changes in the questions. Okay, so within 2 days I will give you tutorial 1 and tutorial 2 final link for your submission. Okay, so there you can submit it. I will give you sufficient time for submission. You can submit it within 1 week, but I will give you the final questions and links for submission for tutorial number 1 and tutorial number 2. Is it clear? Lab manual circle last la uploading ahe ase samjhu naka. As we go with some case studies, you can write down that answers for that question. Okay, tutorial number 2 मध्ये हे 2 क्वेश्चन असतील. एक जे आपण आता डिस्कस करतोय तो, and second question After this, we will discuss. Okay, so tutorial number 1, I will check once again and I will give you the link accordingly. Okay. At initial phases, whatever I have given, that I will not consider final, because that was the initial period, but still the attempt whatever you have made, that is good. Okay. लक्षात येते का सगळ्यांच्या काय सांगते मी ते? Are you
Yes, ma'am.
getting? So here other cases are, she can stop her work. Okay, so here first answer, she can make aware the boss about illegal aspect and inform him about the future risk. She can tell this is illegal and what can be its future effects. Or second, she can stop her work till the workers get paid for the overtime, like strike can be there, or not cooperating with the company. That can be the also possible solution. See, if you want these answers to be noted, you can take its screenshot also. Then fight for right, so that they can have that workers can have fight for getting their right. So they can make strike also. That is also possible solution. Incentives in other form periodically. See, this is one separate case which can be discussed. Incentives in other form periodically means what? Suppose in many of the production departments. Okay, so I will give you example. The company where I work, so it was we were working in the production department. तिथं कसं असायचं की along with your salary, you are getting the incentives which are in proportionate with the production. म्हणजे त्या महिन्यामध्ये किती प्रोडक्शन झालं त्याच्या proportionate मध्ये तुम्हाला production incentives मिळतात. So usually for the companies, the production is more in the month of March. So whatever is the salary of March there, so same point I have given here in 5th. So in the salary of March, you are getting more incentives because maximum production and dispatch of the machine takes place in the month of March, because that is the year ending. So I hope all of you know that the financial year ends in the March. So whenever you consider financial year, that is from 1st April. Suppose at the financial year 2021 बघितलं तुम्ही, the financial year starts on 1st of April 2020 and it ends on 31st of March 2021. म्हणजे March ending ला financial year संपतं. So there all the targets need to be set. That targets need to be fulfilled. So maximum production is in the month of March in the company. त्यामुळे बऱ्याच ठिकाणी जर प्रोडक्शन डिपार्टमेंट तुम्ही बघितलं तर मार्च एंडिंगला लोड जास्त असतो त्या लोकांना, because their financial year is ending and they have to fulfill their target. So if not able to give the directly overtime, but incentives they have to give in proportionate with production. म्हणजे ती लोक जर थांबून एक्स्ट्रा प्रोडक्शन करत असतील मशीनचं तर त्या proportionate मध्ये तरी ऍटलीस्ट त्यांना तिथं इन्सेंटिव्ह ऍड करता येऊ शकतो. दॅट इज ऑल्सो अनदर सोल्युशन. देन ऑन पेपर बॉन्ड means clear these things on paper. Means if they are not if they are saying that this is well known to the workers, then that should be made clear on paper. That is also possible solution. Or that can be the legal way to avoid any next actions. Then another possible solution is stop working the job, means resign. But this resign it is of Sarah I am saying. So if she feels on the first day itself, असं होऊ शकतं आपण एखाद्या ठिकाणी जॉब करतोय आणि पहिल्याच दिवशी असा आपल्याला अनुभव आला तर we may predict from that there is no justice in this company, or though I work here for long time then also I will not get probably the thing which I deserve. She may feel like that and she can resign, or she can decide to resign from that particular job, and again she can make complaints also about that particular company. Okay, so these are the possible outcomes. So are you clear with this situation, or this case study is clear to you? See, why I'm taking this case study, because in interviews, whenever you are facing the questions or whenever you are facing the various rounds of the interviews, so there also this kind of case studies you can face orally. So there one situation will be given and that person will ask what you will do under this situation. That's why I feel this is important to discuss the various case studies. So at least for first tutorial, 4 tutorials, I am going to discuss the case studies only, because that simple questions, whatever I have given in the assignment, that I think you are able to write answer for that particular question, but something different if we are discussing here that can help you to apply your what logic for solving the practical problems. Okay, so is that okay with you, this case studies? And that is only expected in syllabus also. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So the next case study, it is given here. I will just read this. I will explain you this situation. And for this question, you have to write answer by your own. So it is very simple. Though the description is more, it is simple. I will just explain it in the simple language. Conflict of interest case study असं नाव आहे ह्या केस स्टडीचं. कन्फ्लिक्ट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट म्हणजे जिथं काही इमोरल थिंग किंवा एखादी गोष्ट जेव्हा चुकीची घडते तेव्हा त्याला म्हणतात कन्फ्लिक्ट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट. जेव्हा एखादी गोष्ट चुकीची घडते बाय पासिंग सम मॉरल व्हॅल्यूज, then you can apply for the conflict of interest. Okay, so here is the case study of conflict of interest. So here it is given. So you are a 6th year graduate student at a large university. In the final months of your dissertation research on novel photonic material, म्हणजे तुम्ही एखाद्या गोष्टीवरती रिसर्च करताय आणि तुम्ही फायनल इयरला शिकत आहात एका लार्ज युनिव्हर्सिटीमध्ये. देन आणि your dissertation research is on novel photonics material. So that is the topic of your material. तुम्ही photonics material वरती तुमचा रिसर्च करताय. Then you are worried about your next appointment and have applied for several postdoctoral positions in the field, plus a few tenure track assistant professorships at universities where you will like to work. म्हणजे आता ऑब्विसली तुम्ही फायनल इयर मध्ये आहात म्हणजे तुम्ही वेगवेगळ्या ठिकाणी अप्लाय केलेले आहे जॉबसाठी आणि टू युअर सरप्राईज अँड प्लेजर यू आर इन्व्हायटेड फॉर अन इंटरव्ह्यू फॉर अ टेन्युअर ट्रॅक अपॉइंटमेंट ॲट युअर अंडर ग्रॅज्युएट अल्मा मॅटर, a prestigious research institution in a city where you already have connections and would love to live. So ह्याचं समरी सांगते मी थोडक्यात तुम्हाला. तुम्ही लास्ट इयर स्टुडंट आहात, तुम्ही वेगवेगळ्या ठिकाणी जॉब साठी अप्लाय केलेले आहे आणि एका खूप चांगल्या इन्स्टिट्यूट मधून तुम्हाला इंटरव्ह्यू साठी ऑफर येते. जिथं जाणं हे तुमचं ड्रीम आहे और वेअर यू वुड लाईक टू वर्क. फ्रॉम दॅट organization you get the call for interview. Then in the question and answer period following your seminar on research, the department chair asks for detailed information about your novel material preparation technique developed in the research and used extensively in your experiment. मग इंटरव्ह्यू मध्ये तुम्हाला काय विचारलं जातं की तुमचा जो काही रिसर्च आहे त्याच्याबद्दल इन डिटेल माहिती सांगा. म्हणजे information means just not working, but whatever are the confidential things in your research that are also asked. And your group is working on patent application and its members have agreed not to provide details until a paper currently being prepared is submitted for the publication. And your thesis advisor will also be giving the first major presentation on the technique at a major international conference in couple of months. So what is its meaning? तुमच्या रिसर्चच्या ज्या कॉन्फिडेन्शियल गोष्टी तुम्हाला इंटरव्ह्यू मध्ये विचारल्या गेल्या त्याबद्दल तुमच्या टीम मेंबर सोबत म्हणजे दोज हु आर वर्किंग विथ यू ऑन द प्रोजेक्ट यू हॅव द डिस्कशन or you have agreement with your project team members that you will not reveal any of the confidential things till it is getting published. आणि तुमच्या त्या टॉपिक वरती तुमचे ऍडवायझर म्हणजे तुमचे गाईड जे आहेत ते सुद्धा एका कॉन्फरन्स मध्ये प्रेझेंटेशन देणार आहेत. त्यामुळं तुम्ही काय सांगता त्या इंटरव्ह्यूला किंवा इंटरव्ह्युअरला काय सांगता तुम्ही, यू आन्सर दॅट यू अँड युअर कलिग्स आर इन द प्रोसेस ऑफ रायटिंग इट अप for publication and a patent application, and you would be glad to send them an early preprint when it is available. आणि तुमचा इंटरव्ह्यू संपतो. सो व्हॉट यू टेल, डायरेक्टली नाही म्हणण्यापेक्षा तुम्ही काय सांगता इंटरव्ह्यूला, की आमचं जे काम आहे त्याच्यासाठी आम्ही पेटंट पब्लिकेशन साठी ट्राय करतोय आणि एकदा ते पब्लिश झालं की त्याची पहिली कॉपी मी तुम्हाला वाचायला देईन. ओके, आर यू क्लिअर व्हॉट इज सिच्युएशन इज गिवन हिअर? Getting or not? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
I will repeat if anyone is not clear. Last year चे तुम्ही स्टुडंट आहात, रिसर्च वरती काम करताय, तुम्हाला एका चांगल्या कंपनीकडून इंटरव्ह्यूची ऑफर आली आणि इंटरव्ह्यूच्या वेळेस तुम्हाला तुमच्या रिसर्च मधल्या कॉन्फिडेन्शियल गोष्टी विचारल्या गेल्या, पण तुम्ही आणि तुमच्या टीममेटनी यू हॅव मेड अग्रीमेंट दॅट यू विल नॉट रिव्हील, म्हणजे तुम्ही त्या गोष्टी कुठेही लीक करणार नाही जोपर्यंत तुमचं पब्लिकेशन कम्प्लीट होत नाही. आणि त्या वर्क वरती तुमचे गाईड सुद्धा 2 महिन्यांनी एका कॉन्फरन्स मध्ये सेमिनार देणार आहेत. अँड यू टेल द इंटरव्ह्यू पर्सन दॅट वी आर वर्किंग ऑन द पेटंट, आणि एकदा पेटंट पब्लिकेशन झालं की मी तुम्हाला त्याचे सगळे डिटेल्स सांगतो. आणि याच्यामुळे काय होतं, द इंटरव्ह्युअर इज नॉट हॅपी, हिज इगो इट इज हर्टेड. And after the seminar, so once this seminar is over, in your private interview with the chair, आता इंटरव्ह्यू मध्ये वेगवेगळे राऊंड असतात, टेक्निकल इंटरव्ह्यू असतो, ग्रुप डिस्कशन असतं आणि सगळ्यात शेवटी पर्सनल इंटरव्ह्यू असतो, और इट इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड एज प्रायव्हेट इंटरव्ह्यू. सो इन युअर प्रायव्हेट इंटरव्ह्यू विथ द चेअर, ही pushes harder for this information. Once again he force you to give the information. Maybe he may have personal interest in that research. Again he forces you to give the information, remarking that department 6 team players willing to share information with department colleagues and referring to your undergraduate routes, and they need to prove you are one of them to be viable candidate for the position. म्हणजे परत पर्सनल इंटरव्ह्यू मध्ये तुम्हाला इनडायरेक्टली प्रेशराइज केलं जातं ती माहिती सांगण्यासाठी. सो अंडर दिस सिच्युएशन व्हॉट यू शुड डू? आर यू गेटिंग द सिच्युएशन? तुम्ही जेव्हा इंटरव्ह्यू मध्ये रिजेक्ट करता, थोडक्यात इनडायरेक्टली यू आर रिजेक्टिंग दॅट यू कॅनॉट रिव्हील दॅट कॉन्फिडेन्शियल इन्फॉर्मेशन. आणि परत शेवटी पर्सनल इंटरव्ह्यूच्या राऊंडच्या वेळेस तुम्हाला फोर्स केलं जातं की तुम्हाला जर ह्या पोस्टसाठी, थोडक्यात इनडायरेक्टली it is told that if you have to get selected, you have to tell your that personal research confidential things. So what you should do under this situations? So is it clear what is asked in this question? Yes, Omkar, is that situation clearly understood?
Yes, ma'am.
So you just apply your logics and you write down, or you can find out answers from you. And once I give you the final tutorial questions and links, you can upload it there. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
So we will
Okay.
stop here today. You can just write your roll number and you can leave the meeting. If anything you want to ask, okay, just a minute. Before I end, I will make this open here. Full page. You can take its screenshot of second question. Just a minute. You can take screenshot of this case studies. And here is just last question. What you should do? So you can take screenshot of this and you can leave the meeting. We will stop here.